Well, you saw the headline there. I think they're going to be coming down now. It said Thursday, and that's today, so you can see all this white stuff. You got it last night. Yesterday afternoon, last night. Anyways, not sure if you've seen that or not. That's nice to do. I do believe. No, 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 no. Look. So as this is happening, you're going to get a lot of updates. It's supposed to get nicer and nicer as the next week comes in. Yeah, they took the facade down for the restaurant. I think those are the same. But yeah, they took the facade down for the restaurant. Let's see if I can. Yeah, there we go. You can see there. So, I think they're done for the day. Yeah. There we go, folks. It's happening. Finally happening. This is what they're doing now. It is really and truly finally happening this time. And I got a phone call there. Yeah, I think that main entrance. Oh, I can see that brighter. The main entrance is gone, and like I said, they took the facade off the restaurant. Oh man. So like I said, be ready, because there will be a lot more updates coming. A lot more. They'll be coming fast and hard.